Yes, students. So our next topic is relative velocity of rain with respect to man. Means what will be the velocity of a rain with respect to a moving man, that we have to find out. Once you make it remember that this topic is very important, the numerical based on this topic is always asked, or this topic always asked in the competitive exams also. So make it very clear that this topic you should understand very well. Okay. So it's relative velocity of rain with respect to moving man. Okay. Consider a man walking west direction. This west stands for west direction with velocity Vm. With velocity Vm. Here I have drawn diagram. I have taken 4 quadrant. Okay. This E stands for your east direction. This W stands for your west direction. Okay. A man start moving from O towards side A. So how much he has covered? He has covered the distance of O to A. So the velocity is given by vector V to the base M. This M stands for man. Okay. Let the rain be falling vertically downward with velocity vector VR, OB vector. So velocity falling down, rain falling down with velocity vector VR. तो OB के respect में जो आ रहा है, this is the velocity of rain falling down vertically. To stop the man means to bout a rest. अब इतना जोर से पानी गिरना है कि इस व्यक्ति को रुकना है. तो to stop the man about at rest, impose a velocity minus Vm on man. मीन्स इस व्यक्ति पर इतनी वेलोसिटी लगाना है कि वो रुक जाए. तो कितनी वेलोसिटी लगानी है? जितनी वेलोसिटी से चल रहा है उसी को रिवर्स पे लगाना है. Here the velocity of the man is vector Vm. So how much we have to apply? We have to apply of minus Vm, vector of minus Vm. When we apply this much amount of velocity, the person will come to the rest. Okay. Minus Vm on it. So next point is here, the relative velocity of rain with respect to man will be resultant velocity of vector Vr and minus Vm. This vector Vr and minus vector Vm, when these two will act on simultaneously, there will be resultant vector. So this is represented by the vector Vrm towards OD side. O to D side, the resultant velocity आएगा, resultant vector आएगा, that is the resultant of vector Vr and minus of vector Vm. Okay. How this has been expressed? This has been expressed by Vrm is equals to root over Vr square plus Vm square plus 2 Vr Vm cos 90 degree. Why we have taken again here cos 90? The angle between minus Vm and Vr is completely a right angle, 90 degree. That's why the angle between these two I have taken here as a cos 90. Why I have taken here as a cos? Because the theta has been made with the downward side. So this side we have the resultant vector comes with the cos theta. In the next class we are going to discuss. So Vrm is equals to root over Vr square plus Vm square. What happens to cos 90? Cos 90 is 0. When cos 90 is 0, this whole term will get vanished. So new equation will be Vrm equals to root over Vr square plus Vm square. Okay. This is the resultant velocity of rain with respect to man. Now the theta, that what will be the direction of the rain falling on the man. So for this we have to find out that if theta be the angle which Vrm makes with the vertical direction, Vrm makes with the vertical direction, tan theta is equals to BD upon OB. BD upon OB, perpendicular by base, Vm by Vr. This is equals to Vm, this is equals to Vr. Okay. Or theta is equals to tan inverse Vm by Vr. This is the angle comes out with respect to Vr vertically downward. This equation number 4 shows angle theta is the vertical toward west. The angle theta is vertical toward west. West की तरफ वो झुका हुआ रहेगा. So this is the direction of rain falling on the man. This is the velocity of rain with respect to man.